This is Unnati Vishwakarma from Class 8C, and today I am here to introduce you with our today's topic, Education for Positive Thinking. Positivity makes it easier to achieve goals. That's because when you are in a positive frame of mind, you can look ahead and plot a course. You can make better decisions rather than just reacting to the setbacks you encounter. You do not get stuck with the negative self-talk. Positive thinking also brings an immense amount of satisfaction and leads to a healthy mindset. The fundamental goal of positive education is to promote flourishing or positive mental health within the school community. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead. Now, I would like to call Sia and Stuti to present their conversation.
Hello everyone. Today I, Sia Gangan, and I, Stuti Srivastav from Class 8C, we would like to do a conversation on the topic Education for Positive Thinking. Hello Sia, how are you? Hello Stuti, I'm good, but I'm just a little tense about my project.
Oh, what is the topic for your project?
It's Education for Positive Thinking. Will you help me out?
Of course. Do you know what positive thinking is?
Yes, positive thinking just means to approach unpleasantness in more positive and productive way.
Oh, also, positive thinking is very important because it has a beneficial impact on both our physical and mental well-being.
Yes, everyone should apply positive mentality in their lives.
That's correct, but how can we think positive thoughts all the time?
Good question. We should try to focus on good things, practice gratitude, spend more time with positive people, and practice self-talk are certain things which will help you to think positive.
Oh, I will also follow these steps to become a person who thinks positive.
Stuti, I have been wondering that is there any key to positivity?
I think so, yes. The key to positivity is positive visualization.
What is this positive visualization?
When we create a clear and exciting picture of our goals and our ideal life in our mind and replay it over and over is termed as positive visualization.
Oh, now I think that positive thinking really works because it can help us to create value in our life and help you to build skills that last much longer than anything.
Exactly my thoughts. Also, Sia, don't you think it is a little hard to think positive?
Well, indeed, it's definitely a difficult task, but it's really beneficial. What actually happens is, as per my opinion, the problem with positive thinking is to operate at the surface level of conscious thoughts.
Oh, that seems to satisfy me. Also, Sia, isn't your project complete now?
Yes, Stuti, thank you so much. You really helped me a lot.
Of course, it was wonderful to learn all these new things.
Thank you and have a cheerful day ahead.
Every day is a new day. Every day has something to say. New desires, new passion. New endeavors, new determination. Every day is a new dawn. Every day has a new song. Every day is a new day. Every day has something to say. As we all present here will be starting with a new day. So we, the students of class 8C, take this opportunity to conduct this weekly assembly on the topic academic values. Now, I would like to intone a small poem. Life is full of fun, but without baton of values beacon. Life will be just a hunt. If you only want in life, want. Approx values widen, not money, values one can lead to a success done. Difference between bison and you is not a billion, but values-based actions. If set your steps begin from a beast to a good human. Now, I would like to call Deepika Sudhir to notify you more with academic values.
This is Deepika Sudhir from Class 8C would like to tell you something about an engrossing topic, content of value education. So, the content of value education is a subject that enables us to understand what is valuable for human happiness. The scope of value education includes in all dimensions as thoughts, behavior, words and realization, and in all levels which includes individual, family, society and nature. Value education is a process of increasing the overall character of a student. It also includes character development. It develops a sensible person with strong character and values. Here are some great lines said by B.C. Forbes on content of value education. Vitally important for a young man or woman is to first realize the value of education and then to cultivate it earnestly, aggressively, ceaselessly, the habit of self-education. Thank you and have a grateful day ahead. Now I would like to call Unnati Vishwakarma for presenting the thought of the day.
A jubilous good morning to one and all present here. Today, I, Unnati Vishwakarma from Class 8C, is going to present the thought of the day. Education without values, as useful as it is, seems rather to make man a more clever devil. This statement means that a person who lacks moral education, who does not differentiate between right and wrong, inculcates characters of a devil. A person who lacks ethical behavior tends to use his knowledge in a destructive way. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.